How to make a typewriter effect in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is just go to the CapCut application. So just tap in CapCut, then tap on new project over here. Then select any of the project that you want over here. You can go for any projects that you want to edit. So here I'm going to go for this one. Then tap on add and it will be added to your project. So after this, what you have to do is you can just type in this add text option over here, which is at the bottom of the screen. So just tap on the text, then tap on add text. Now you just have to enter the text that you want to add over here. So for example, if I want to add hello, okay, then tap on the styles. You can select any of the styles you want. Then tap on the effects. So as you tap on effects, you can select any of this one. Here I'm going for the free version over here. Then tap on animations. So in the animations, you can see the different options over here. You can see the option of typewriter as you swipe down. So just tap on swipe typewriter. You can select the speed as well over here or the duration for your typewriter effect. After selecting that, you can put the text wherever you want, or you can just elongate the duration over here according to your preference. After that, you can just play it and you'll be able to see the typewriter effect in CapCut. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see